Hi everyone. Okay, so I've been working on an idea theme, playing around. I'm gonna just do this one on my own. No talking, no outright instruction. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments, and I will try to answer them for you. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great week. It's Friday, yay, yay, yay. And I plan to do nothing for this weekend at all but sit on my butt. Well, okay. Water the plants, feed the cats, take care of mom. Yeah, but otherwise, I'm doing nothing. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you next week.
Burned my skin in the water. I didn't mind it. At least it was a feeling that was different.
Hi everyone, this is me. I'm doing the editing, and I had to pop back in here to say, if you ever need to remember a life lesson, I'm going to help you out in advance. So maybe for 2026, you don't have to worry about this life lesson. Never say out loud, never brag, even if you don't mean to brag, but never do it. Say that you haven't been sick in whatever period of time, because you are going to get sick after you say this. Anyway, I got really sick. I was sick for the entire holidays. I'm still sick. I am getting better, obviously, but it takes a really long time for me to recover from anything that manages to get into my lungs, which it did, as you know, is typical. And what's really funny is that I'm the most susceptible to the common cold. Really weird, isn't it? Like, you can be around me with pneumonia and I won't get it, but if you have the common cold, I can assure you I'm probably going to get sick. Anyway, that's me. I am just flying through this page, and then the next video will be the last page, or sort of the last page, because I still have to do the back cover. But other than that, I'm just about done, thank goodness, and I'm not going to worry about trying to finish the pink journal. I just want to move on to other journal things that I wanted to do in 2026. Oh, also, when I do the back cover, I'm going to show you my word for 2026. So that's not in this video. It'll be in the next one. Okay, that's it. Done. Out of here. I hope you guys are doing okay, and I'll see you with the next video.
The moon was hot and high. If you don't keep an eye on what's moving through the steam and on the rise, it was a dream. It was real life there beneath a plum sky. Turn my body around. I make heat, I make sound. Shadows on the wall, echoes We can go to a place where even our imperfections can rest safe. I thought we were on our way, but we're so quick to get lost these days. So we move on like waves of prairie grass. No use playing